Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the GCash GLoan error message that says something went wrong. There seems to be a problem, please try again later. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, back to home screen and go to phone settings, scroll down, then tap on apps option and tap on search bar, search for GCash and see. Now tap on the GCash app, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back. And now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. Okay, back to home screen and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen, go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for GCash and now search for GCash app and now check update your GCash app. My GCash app already updated showing. Okay, now tap on update option and waiting a few minutes. Now complete your update GCash app and open your GCash app. Now log in your GCash app and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.